Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to work on linear perturbation with two beams. So, in this, our goal will be to determine the effect a nonlinear pre-stress has on the first six natural frequency and mode shapes of opposing cantilever beams. So, here the beams are manufactured of aluminum and subject to large deformation, non-linear contact and plasticity. So first we are going to check like this material already it is there. Okay, so we will go to model, double click here. So here we can see that there is a space in between the two beams and top beam and bottom beam. And if we go to this material, also we can see properties here. Then we are going to contacts. Here you can see frictionless contact, it is there in between the two beams. The beams is having some space in between. Okay, so matching, also face sizing and other thing already have been defined here. So here fixed support at the both this one and other one fixed support to this one. Pressure have been applied from bottom this side and pressure from normal this side. It has been applied. Okay, from here also we can check the units. So for this tutorial we are going to use this US customer. Okay, so now what we are going to do here, we are going to check the analysis setting. Here we will see auto timing stepping, it is on. Sub steps, initial steps we are taking 5, minimum also 5 and maximum 10, and large deflection should be on, so this is on. Okay, so now we are going to because this is non-linear analysis and it will be having large deflection, that's why we have kept it on. So solve, it has been solved. Now we are going to insert total deformation, insert stress equivalent 1 minus stress, insert. Here we are going to insert equivalent plastic strain. So this one, and insert contact tool, also we are going to insert gap. Okay, now we are going to evaluate all results. So this has been generated. So total deformation we can see 0.217 inch, that is maximum. So result, so that's in true scale. We can see the total deformation. So status also we can see here, like this is showing some sliding, so here it is sliding here. Okay, First it is coming in the contact, then sliding. Okay. Equivalent stress also we can see here. So now we are closing this one, then going to project screen. Now we are going to add model. We'll share only engineering data here and also solution. So what we are doing here, like here, after putting this solution to model, it will remove the geometry cell in the model analysis. So this step uses the deformed geometry from the static structure as the starting geometry for the model. So without including a pre-stress effect. So okay, now we are going to update solution here. So and also we are going to refresh it. Okay, so here double click on model. So in this you can see it has taken the deform geometry. So in this case it is in the contact. So this is not pre-stressed. So you can see also now it is showing. And also if you go to connection here, so this has taken automatically the bonded contact. Okay. So now what we are going to do, like we are going to insert that fixed support we are going to provide here, this side and this side, apply. Okay, so we are going for analysis setting maximum mode, so we are taking here 6 and we are going to solve it. Okay, click on solution, you can see 6 frequency, right click, select all and create mode save results, and here evaluate all results. So total deformation we can see it is in their direction, first frequency, second, in y direction. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to close this one, and what we can do, we can take a snapshot of this. Okay,